Oh, hello. My name is Dr. Young, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the nature of all things. Welcome to the Earth is a delicate thing. Without the Earth, we would all be dead. We have to take care of it nice and gently, but not too gently because it's nice and firm. We don't want to bother it that much. And if the parent planets find out, we might just be in trouble. Am I fired?
While Jeff is taking his dog Jimmy for a walk, he is completely oblivious of what is happening behind the scenes. It all starts with the sun. The sun provides essential energy that plants require to make photosynthesis. A deer then comes along, eats that plant, then is shortly shot by an illegal immigrant and sent to no-name dog food plant. Jimmy is now a part of nature he never even knew of.
My God, it just kills me sometimes to see like pollution killing innocent birds such as a flamingo. But today we're going to be talking about sharks. Yay! Did you know that sharks are an extraordinary species and live in the ocean and are very incredibly strong? There are around 4,500 sharks left. That's a pretty small population of sharks.
Oh no!
There's many varieties. Hammer shark, the great white shark. It's just extraordinary to see them swim around, catching their prey with their big, chunky teeth. It just makes me go crazy inside, you know? Like, oh God, they're just so awesome and beautiful. Oh, Jesus! My God. Well, there's 4,499 left to worry about. Thank God, he almost killed me. And I once thought they were beautiful. Sons of bitches. Kill you. Try to save that animal. Shut up. Shut up. Try to kill you. Try to kill all of us.